morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel today. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kim, and if you're not, welcome back. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update in regards to COVID. So we've been home about 6 days now. Micah and I have taken 3 COVID tests total, 2 rapid tests and 1 PCR test. They've all come back negative, thank goodness. But we're still kind of isolating ourselves until Sunday. That will mark 10 days since we were exposed. We're just playing it safe. We are just doing everything just in case. But anyways, I just wanted to update you guys and let you guys know that we are doing okay. So today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day, and the goal is to try to stay under 30 grams of net carbs. So I'm excited for dinner because I'm gonna be making a low carb chicken parmesan, and I haven't had chicken parmesan in so long, and I'm just like craving fresh mozzarella cheese. So yeah, I can't wait for that. Also, I ordered SOLA bread Tuesday, and I am supposed to get it today in the mail. And yes, I know I did order it online because I don't have a Costco card yet and I can't go out. So I ordered it online, and I ordered, well, I'll show you guys when it gets here, but it's supposed to come today. So when it does, I will show you guys. I'm so excited because I heard SOLA bread is the best keto bread out there. I've been using Aldi keto bread, and honestly, for me, it's fine. I like the taste, I like the price, and it's just convenient to get. But I've gotten so many comments saying like that there's something in there that kicks you out of ketosis. So I ordered SOLA bread, and I can't wait to try it. Also, I just want to say hi to everyone. I've gained so many subscribers in the last like month, and just thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for your kind and encouraging comments. They mean a lot. You guys have no idea. So thank you guys, and welcome to my channel. And yeah, let's make some breakfast, guys. Just gonna scramble some eggs. Well, I already did it, but I added American cheese in here and 2 eggs, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I have some bacon in the air fryer now. And I am gonna be using one of these Mission Carb Balance whole wheat tortillas. This is the medium sized ones. There's like street tacos, medium, and there's large ones. But I just like to show the macros every time. There's 70 calories in 1 tortilla, and there's only 3 grams of net carbs. I would like to say that if you are living a gluten-free lifestyle, this is definitely not for you. There is a lot of fiber. Me personally, I love having lots of fiber. TMI, but it makes me go to the bathroom. But I always try to get things that are high in fiber. It does make me bloat, but it's, I mean, maybe for an hour or 2. But yeah, I really love these wraps. I know I always talk about them, but I just wanted to say that disclaimer because I know a lot of you guys are looking for gluten-free, low-carb things, and I don't think this is one of them. I actually am gonna add just like a little bit of cream cheese. This just kind of makes it creamy and gives it a little bit more flavor. And then I'm gonna add my eggs. And guys, this is one of my favorite go-to breakfasts because it's so good and it's just so easy to make, and it's filling. And this, guys, is my breakfast for this morning. I may add some hot sauce on top. You guys know I love my hot sauce. Ooh, look at that. All right, guys, so I decided to add 4 strawberries to my breakfast today, but just a little close up. Here is my breakfast this morning. Oh, can't wait to eat it. It looks so good. So for lunch today, guys, I'm just gonna make like a quick little sandwich roll up using just lunch meat and cheese as like my base, and then I'm gonna fill it with like crumbled bacon, cherry tomatoes, mayo, and some organic spring mix. So I'm just gonna make a little small one because I know that I'm gonna have a large dinner tonight. I'm gonna put it on wax paper, that way I can kind of roll it up and cut it so it doesn't get too messy. But oh yeah, this lunch meat is a smoked turkey breast. I got a lot of comments saying that there's a lot of sugar added to lunch meat, and I specifically got this pre-packed instead of the one behind the deli, just to show you guys the carbs. So per serving for this one, there's only 1 gram of net carbs, so that is not bad at all. Unfortunately, when you get it behind the deli, you aren't really sure how many carbs are in there. So yeah, that's why I got this, and I just wanted to show you guys. And then I wish I had like pepper jack cheese, but I only have American cheese, and I'm just gonna use 1. I wish I had mustard, I don't, so just gonna use mayo. Okay, so I just have a layer. I have about 5 pieces of these, and they're really small pieces. And then just kind of add some American cheese. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add some mayo. I'm gonna add some of these greens. I used to never like tomatoes. Now I can't stop eating them. They're so refreshing, and it's so funny how your taste buds change when you get older. Just using 2 crumbled bacon. Okay, so this is the hard part. You're gonna try to like roll it. Oh, okay, there we go. Just roll it, roll it, roll it. Oh, it's getting really messy. Okay. Paper. That way we can kind of. And then we're gonna just cut it. And oh, look. It looks really good, very colorful. And then I'm gonna just eat it like this and just kind of peel back the wrapper as I go. So this is lunch. Not as pretty as I thought it would be, but that's okay. So this lunch meat is really thin, which is why it's like kind of falling apart. But I'm gonna go ahead and have this. Again, I wish I had some mustard. I think that would taste really good. And I wish I had some pork rinds. That would also give it a nice little crunch to have. But I'm gonna go ahead and have this, and I will see you guys at dinner. And guys, I have just been drinking Gatorade Zero all day. I literally have like 10 in my refrigerator right now. But this stuff is so good. You can't even tell it's Gatorade Zero. So for the whole bottle, there's 10 calories and 2 grams of net carbs for the whole bottle. So that is really, really good. But yeah, I've just been downing this all day. Guys, I got my SOLA bread in. I am so excited. So I got 2 packs of everything bagels. I already threw one in the freezer. So this is a little pricey when you buy them on the website, but I know for sure that they sell them at Costco. So as soon as I can get to Costco, obviously after I'm done eating this, but I am planning to buy SOLA bread in the future from Costco. So I got 2 loaves of bread, and then I got 2 packs of everything bagels. So for 1 bagel, there's only 7 grams of net carbs. There's 240 calories per bagel. So, and I can really smell this. I can smell the everything seasoning in here, but I'm so excited to try this with cream cheese. And then for these 2 loaves, this one I got in sweet oat. I heard this one is really, really good. And then I got sweet and buttery. So 2 grams of net carbs and 3 grams of net carbs. I think I'm gonna do the sweet oat first, and then I'm gonna throw this in the freezer. But guys, I am so excited. All right guys, for dinner tonight, I'm gonna be making a low carb chicken Parmesan. These are all of the ingredients that I'm gonna be using. Hopefully I'm not forgetting anything, but if I do, I'll definitely let you guys know. I have 2 huge chicken breasts here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna thin them out or cut them in half. We'll find out. I have fresh mozzarella cheese here. I have an egg. I have Parmesan cheese. I have almond flour. Olive oil. I have this red sauce. So for half a cup, there's 70 calories and only 5 grams of net carbs. So usually regular spaghetti sauce has anywhere between like 10 and 20 grams of net carbs per half a cup. So I really like this one because it's very low in carbs. And then I just have my basic seasonings. I like to always season my chicken with Montreal chicken seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and pink Himalayan salt. I do have a zucchini, but I remember buying this a couple months ago from Fresh Thyme, and it's the edamame spaghetti, and macros on here are really good. So per one serving, there's 7 grams of net carbs and 180 calories. So if you ask me, that is very low in carbs. Usually about a serving with like spaghetti, fettuccine, penne pasta, there's anywhere between 19 and 30 grams of carbs. So for this to just have 7 is really good. And there's a lot of protein in here. So but yeah, this is everything that I need. I will link everything down below in the description box. I will link this too. I saw this before at Target, and I'll just kind of just link everything that I can for you guys. But yeah, let's make this chicken parmesan. So I'm gonna start off by cutting the chicken breasts in half so they're nice and thin. They're just easier to cook this way. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start seasoning everything. I just use pink Himalayan salt, black pepper, garlic, Montreal seasoning, and onion powder. And then I'm just gonna flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. I beat 2 eggs together and I added just a splash of heavy whipping cream. Alright guys, I'm gonna add half a cup of almond flour. You can use coconut flour if you wish, or pork rinds, but I have this already. And then I'm also gonna add half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Okay, and then I'm also gonna just season this with garlic powder and salt. And I'm just gonna do enough to where it's just coated. It's a very thin layer. Okay, oil is ready, so I'm just gonna put this in a little egg wash. And then coat it in this. So I'm gonna coat everything before I throw it in there. Say 2 of these at a time. While that's cooking, I have the water boiling so I can add the edamame spaghetti. It says that it only needs to cook for 3 to 5 minutes, so we'll see. That looks amazing. We are gonna cut. I'm gonna throw a handful in here. Now I'm gonna reduce the heat and just let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. I don't think this needs much cooking. Wow, I put a lot. I did not know that it was gonna be this much because it didn't look like there was a lot. But I'm just gonna rinse, not rinse, I'm just gonna drain. It says to rinse, but I'm not gonna rinse. I'm gonna add a little bit of my Kerrygold butter. Just kind of Give this a good mix. Feels just like spaghetti, guys. Very soft, and the texture is very much so like spaghetti. You guys can throw this in the oven, but you guys already know I love my air fryer. So I am gonna put, I think I'm just gonna do 2 at a time. Then I am going to add maybe about 2 tablespoons each of this tomato basil sauce. So I'm just gonna put it right on top. Okay. Whoa, this sauce smells so good. Okay, and then I am just gonna add the fresh mozzarella. I'm gonna add lots of mozzarella right on top. And then I am just gonna throw these bad boys in the air fryer. 400 degrees for about, let's do 5 minutes. So I'll check on this in 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and put this, I'm not gonna do too much. Yeah, that's pretty good. And guys, this texture is just like spaghetti. I did add butter and salt for taste, but I don't know where this has been all my life. I am definitely gonna buy this all the time now. 7 grams of net carbs per serving. You cannot beat that. All right, let's take a look here. Ooh, this looks amazing, guys. So I am, ooh, look at the cheese. I'm gonna put that right over like so. Just gonna add a little bit of parsley. All right, guys, this is my dinner and it looks and smells incredible. I am so proud of this. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it and take a bite for you guys. I'm gonna add some of this spaghetti. Guys, this is delicious. I would definitely recommend getting fresh mozzarella cheese opposed to the shredded. It has such a better flavor and taste and texture. And 10 out of 10 for these edamame noodles. Wow, this is so good. This is probably the best dinner I've made in a while. So good. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know I've already said this in the beginning, but I just want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel, for loving my channel, watching my videos, leaving comments. If you've never left a comment and you watch my videos all the time, come say hi, leave a comment. I always try to reply back to all the comments, and even when I don't get a chance to reply back, I read all of my comments and I always try to love them. Thank you guys so much. I'm happy that I'm able to share my keto friendly and low carb ideas with you guys. And the real reason why I just love sharing my food ideas with you guys is because I remember when I was extremely overweight, I was so unhappy with myself and I just thought losing weight was impossible because I just enjoyed the taste of food. But that is why I'm here, and that is why I'm sharing my idea with you guys, to show you guys that it doesn't have to be hard. You can lose weight just by eating keto and low carb. And when it comes to losing weight, 80% is what you put in your body and 20% is exercising. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.